So here in this question what we can see, that these PA is parallel to BC, and this BC is parallel to DT. Okay, good. And AB is parallel to DC. I am using this tick sign to differentiate that which lines are parallel. So now if we need to find the value of A and B, so what we can write, as PA parallel to BC, so angle A equals to 50 degree by alternate interior angles. And what we can see here, that AB is transversal. AB is transversal. Now for question number B, what we need to do, we have to join A to D. We need to join A to D. So what will happen, what we can see, that as AB parallel CD and PT is transversal. PT is transversal. Let's say this angle as Z. This angle as Z. So now angle Z is equals to angle 50. Why? Because it is corresponding angle. So corresponding angles are equal. It is corresponding angle. Now Z plus B is equals to 180 degree. So 50 plus B equals to 180 degree, or you can simply write B equals to 180 minus 50 equals to 130 degrees. So if we want to solve it, we can also solve it by the co-exterior property, like you can see. Let me redraw it. A, B, D, C. This is the transversal. Let's say this is transversal. It is 50 and it is B. So by the property of co-exterior angles, 50 plus B must be 180. B is equals to 180 minus 50, which is equals to 130 degrees. So by both methods you can find whatever suits you. So this question can be solved very easily. That PQ, this PQ is parallel with SR.
By alternating.
Yeah, so by alternate interior angle, this 20 is equals to this A alternate interior angle, so this is 20. Similarly, RQ and SP is parallel, so this 50 and B is equals to alternated are equal, and because of the alternate interior angle. So this question is from, this question is from RS Agarwal. So to solve this question, what we need to do, we need to draw one more line. Let's say this is line L.
So we need to buy,
or we can write AB. It is better to write BC here because A is already there in the form of angle BC. So draw QP. By drawing, what we can see by construction, QP is parallel to BC is parallel to SR. So now, and let's say this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. So angle 1 and angle 2. So according to the figure, what we can see, that angle 1 is equals to 60 degree, alternate interior angle, alternate interior. This 1 is equals to 60, and angle 2 is equals to what? 30 degree. Okay, it is equals to 30 degree because of the alternate interior angle. Now we need to find the value of A, angle A we need to find. So it is actually angle 1 plus angle 2, which is equals to 60 plus 30 is equals to 90 degree answer. So as you can see in the first question, one angle is 15 and it is forming 360 degrees. So y is equals to 360 minus 15, so it is what? 345 degree. Now question number 2, just we need to, it is also forming 360 degree, so this is 50 plus 40, 90, it is 90. So 2y plus 10 plus 50 plus 40 plus 130 equals to 360, or we can write 2y plus 10 plus 50 60 plus 40 100 plus 130 230 degree equals to 360, and this 2y is equals to 360 minus 230 equals to 130, or you can write y equals to 130 upon 2, which is equals to 65 degree. Correct. Now for question number 3rd, what we can see again, y plus, it is forming 360 degree, so y plus 40 plus 140 plus 90 equals to 360, or you can write y plus, it is 180 plus 90, 270 degrees equals to 360, or you can write y equals to 360 minus 270 equals to 90 degree. Correct.